If you didn't start investing in 2020, you missed the tech boom. If you didn't jump in by 2023, you missed the AI wave. Your bank account is literally losing value while you're just watching. In 2025, you can't afford to just save. You must invest. Inflation is outpacing your savings. But investing can feel intimidating. Stock markets, ETFs, crypto, hype everywhere. 100% returns guaranteed courses, coaches, side hustles. As long as you pay, wait, and trust the process. You perk up because you want to make real money. Yachts, living on a remote island, fancy cars and watches. Basically wealth that lets you just enjoy life. Yet uncertainty leaves you unsure where to start. That's completely normal, but it doesn't mean you can't do it. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at 11. Jeff Bezos started investing from his garage. Elon Musk didn't buy a house with PayPal money. He started companies and bought stocks. What do they have in common? They knew how to let money work for them. Now it's time for you to start thinking that way too. Buffett is one of the richest people today. Musk didn't become a billionaire through crypto. He understood how money works and how to invest long-term. None of them ever let their money sit idle. Most financial gurus didn't come from wealthy families. They just started early, with small amounts, and stayed consistent. And age isn't a barrier. Buffett earned over 90% of his fortune after age 50. Colonel Sanders launched KFC at 65, after retirement. Imagine looking back in 10 years at your 2025 self and wondering, why didn't I start then? But 2025 isn't too late. If you know what you're doing, this video will show you how to start from zero. Stick with me if you're ready. Define your goals. Know why you're investing. Pause for a moment. Why do you want to invest? Buying a home? Planning for retirement? Working toward financial independence? Your strategy will differ depending on whether you're planning for 5 years or 30. Write down what you want, when you want it, and roughly how much money you need. When markets dip, those written down goals will be your roadmap and will keep you disciplined. How much can you consistently save? Start small, but be consistent. Ideally, aim to invest 10-15% of your income. But if that feels too much right now, that's okay. The key is to just start. Even $20 or $50 a month can have significant impact. Remember, compounding works wonders over time. Your money grows and then that growth grows. And forming the habit? That counts more than how much you start with. Choose the right account, simple and global. Now that you know your budget, decide where to invest it. Think reputable, low-cost platforms like Interactive Brokers, eToro, Charles Schwab, or Fidelity. Available and user-friendly worldwide. Look for low fees, clean interfaces, and access to the markets you care about. Pick a strategy that suits you. Passive or thematic? Many investors go with passive index funds or ETFs from providers like Vanguard, iShares, or Schwab. They offer low fees, market exposure, and stability. If you're excited about the future, consider thematic investing in AI, clean energy, health tech, or robotics. A bit riskier, but potentially more rewarding. Just know what you're betting on. Learn the basics and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Build a balanced portfolio. A few blue-chip stocks, index funds, and maybe a higher risk slice, all tied together via a systematic investment plan for small regular purchases. Automate it, and forget daily price swings. Dollar cost averaging is a powerful tool. Invest a fixed amount every month, regardless of market ups and downs. Say $100 per month into an ETF. Sometimes you'll buy more shares, sometimes fewer. Over time, this averages out, and you eliminate guesswork and emotional investing. Pro tip: set up automatic transfers. Laziness can be a powerful ally. Track your portfolio, but don't panic. Review your portfolio every 6 months or year. Ask yourself, are these still the goals I set? Does this strategy still align with current markets? Use tools like Personal Capital, Mint, ShareSite, or your broker's platform. But above all, don't overreact. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Now, what's hot in 2025? The world moves fast. Here are the themes catching fire right now. Artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, self-driving cars, AI medical tools. This isn't future tech, it's shaping today's winners. Key companies: NVIDIA, AMD, Microsoft, Palantir. Consider ETFs like Global X Robotics and AI, BUTZs, or RKQ for sector exposure. If 2023 was the launch year, 2025 is the breakout. Emerging markets. Think India, Indonesia, Brazil, Nigeria, economies expanding fast, ripe for investment. ETFs, VWO, and EEM track this growth. Imagine jumping in now, before global attention peaks. Clean energy. Solar, wind, green hydrogen, battery tech, driving both sustainability and profits. ETFs, ICLN and QCLN offer access to this trend. Going green pays off in more ways than one. Digital health, telemedicine, genomics, health diagnostics, the pandemic sped this revolution. Companies like Teladoc, Illumina, Dexcom are leading. ETF ARCUG, genomic revolution. If you believe in the future of healthcare, this is your arena. Robotics and automation. Factories, logistics, households, all automated and efficient. ETFs, robo-bots. Focus on this transformation. When others worry about robots stealing jobs, investors see opportunity. Summary, trends are fleeting, but knowing where to look can put you ahead. You don't need to bet your whole life on one winner. Thematic ETFs let you back entire industries with ease and lower risk. Okay, so how do you actually start? You don't need magic insight or a guru. Just follow a few solid rules so you launch and stay the course, even when markets fluctuate. Tip hash 1. Stop timing the market. Invest regularly. No one times the market consistently. Regular investing through dollar cost averaging avoids emotional decisions. Pro tip. Use automatic transfers. This is the lazy investor's secret weapon. Tip hash 2. Start with a blue-chip ETF. Skip the flashy tech startups or crypto. Stick to stable, proven funds. VAO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. SPY, Spider S&P 500 ETF. VA, Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF. These hold big companies like Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola. Slow, steady, effective. Tip hash 3. Have a plan. Don't just follow the hype. Don't buy on impulse. Decide your approach. Passive or active. Set a time horizon. 5-10 years? Remember, consistency beats brilliance. Tip hash 4. Use tools that support you track your portfolio with apps rather than spreadsheets. Try investment platforms like Fidelity, eToro, interactive brokers, plus tools like Mint or ShareSite. You don't need to chase daily market headlines, just clarity on your direction. Tip hash 5. Don't fear early mistakes. Learn from them. Your first investment might not be perfect. You might overpay or exit too soon. That's okay. Failure is feedback. Investing is a muscle. It grows with practice. Final thought. It's not about how much you start with. It's that you stop waiting for the perfect market or big lump sum. Start now with a small but consistent amount. 2025 can be the year you lay the groundwork for future financial independence. And that mindset shift alone is priceless. If you've ever felt like you missed the financial wave, you haven't. You simply haven't started. But now you're here, and that means you're already ahead of most. Comment below. Which trend or tip spoke to you most? Or what do you want to learn next? I'll respond, and maybe even spotlight it in the next video. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. No fluff, just clear, timely financial content every week. For a quick daily dose of money updates and trend alerts, follow my shorts, just 60 seconds each morning to stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just work for money. Let your money work for you.